I would like to tell you about how easy it is to build and develop new products using Lusha's data on top of our API. The APIs allow for company and contact enrichment, advanced searching with filters, and much more. You can use tools like NA10, Zapier, and other integration tools, and add a node with a simple API call to Lusha. I want to show you a quick example of building a web extension. I'm using two AI development tools. One of them is Anti-Gravity from Google for creating the UI, and the other is Cloud Code for the backend and logic. I open up the development platform, give it the prompt I need for what I want to build. With a simple prompt, and within a few minutes, I can see my web extension up and running. The first time I will need to enter my API key, which I can get from Lusha's site. Then, wherever I am on any page in my browser, I can click on any company name or a person name and instantly get a screen enrichment with all the details I need, including phone number, emails, real-time signals, and more.